Well, hello, my Inkie friends. It's Cindy Lynne with my Inkie Fingers. Thank you so much for joining me today for the May 2021 Batter Up Paper Pumpkin unboxing. That is a mouthful. I have got a giveaway for you guys today too. So I will continue to do these giveaways as long as I can get my kit on time and I get 250 likes on this video. So definitely give it a like, okay? Because I know there's going to be way more than 250 people watching. And for the giveaway, it's going to be really simple. I'm going to give you the instructions, and then I've got a Paper Pumpkin code for a subscription. And all my Paper Pumpkin subscribers can now come to an exclusive Zoom Stampin' a Stampin' Chat night with me, exclusive, chat with me, stamp with me, live, real time, no delay. Speaking of no delay, I'm going to show you guys what's in the kit. Now, I got to admit, this double bubble, one went in my mouth right away. I haven't had one of those in I don't know how long, and it lasted about as long as it took for me to set this up. I had to spit it out. So there is 3 of those, but I ate one. So Paper Pumpkin comes with your little instruction, little booklet as always. All of the coordinating colors, I'm going to show them to you. Night of Navy, Bumblebee, Real Red, Soft Suede, and Smoky Slate. So, I mean, I just love these colors. Now, I'm happy I like the colors because I'm going to be perfectly honest with you, and chime in and let me know if you felt this way too. But the beauty of having a Paper Pumpkin subscription is not only it comes to your door, you've got all this creativity in one box, but you can suspend a month if you want. And I probably would have suspended this month, but I couldn't let you guys down. I couldn't not show you. So I'm going to turn my frown upside down. And tomorrow night, I've got a live video, and I'm going to do some alternatives. I'm probably going to use these colors because I've already made my Father's Day card. You guys have seen it. Nevertheless, stamps. I don't know. I'm probably going to have to keep these stamps because these stamps are worth the price of the kit for me. So you've got Ever, Grandpa, Dad, Son, Uncle, Friend, You're the Greatest of All Time. That you can do with anybody. You're the Best. That you can do for anybody. All-Star, a baseball, a little cap. And you know what? This doesn't have to be just masculine. Stamp it in pink or red. You've got a feminine card. Mom and brother. So love the stamps. Now there's 3 different types of cards here. So I like that they've got this gray in there. They've kind of got this little messy little back tone to it. I like that. And this is like a little wood green, and that's kind of like a little shirt. And there are 3 of each, so there's 9 cards. Oh, yes, 3 of each, 9 cards. Now, you've got your Night of Navy Stampin' Spot, your double bubble. I probably won't eat any more of that. And this here, it's not like a linen twine. It's like the cotton twine I talked to you guys about in my unboxing. No, it wasn't in the unboxing. I think it was in one of the card kits. But this is so soft. I really, really like that. And then they've got all of these little punch outs here to stamp all those little itty bitty words on to stick on your cards, and some really cute little enamel dots, if you will, and all of these awesome little punch outs. So there's all kinds of little elements in here. I don't know how many. Oh, there's actually an extra sheet. I thought there were 2 sheets. I just popped out 2. I don't know how many of these I'll actually use. The little guy next door will probably get those, but we will see tomorrow night what I come up with. I'm going to have to brainstorm because I'm fresh out of ideas. I got nothing right now, but what I do have is how to enter in the giveaway. So Canadian code I have, because I'm a Canadian demonstrator, I'm able to purchase a Canadian code. So anyone in Canada can win the code and activate it at any time. Now, if you're not Canadian, that's okay. I'm not gonna leave you out to dry. I've got an all access class pass for my June 2021 class and the Stampin' Chat. So if you're not a channel subscriber and you're not already subscribed to those, and even if you are, you can put it in your back pocket and save it for a rainy day. But I'll be giving away an all access pass. All the links and information about that are in the description below. So what are you gonna do? First of all, you're going to like this video, because if I can get 250 likes, I will do another giveaway next month. And then you're going to leave a comment and let me know what country you live in. And after you're done that, head over to my Facebook page, and I've got a post up there. It's linked down below. All you got to do is say hi to me, tag a friend, because we're going to share the love. So tag any friend anywhere in the world, and that's it. You're entered. I will do the draw. I'll do the draw next Tuesday in my live video. I'll actually be doing 2 live draws then. So, because I've got a giveaway on my Instagram right now too. So if you haven't seen that, head over to my Instagram. The link is down below and enter in that one too. So until I see you guys again, take care and happy stamping.